Hello everybody, my name is Charlie. I am the Guiding Ohio Online Learning Coach at Madison Public Library, and welcome to Bite Size Tech. Today on Bite Size Tech, I'm going to show you two of our hotspots. All the hotspots will come in one of these cases. Once you open the case, they'll come in a package like this. It may vary depending on model and all that. But once you open it, hotspot will be right on top. And then underneath is going to be your charging block and cable. Now I'm just going to kind of put this away and put it off to the side. Now mine is charged, so I don't have to worry about charging it beforehand. So I'm going to turn it on. Now once you get here, you're going to notice the menu screen. So on the menu screen is going to be a menu button, which is going to take you to your settings. A little help button in case you need some help with some tweaking, and then Wi-Fi if it's on or off, name and password, and all that cool stuff. And it will also tell you if you're connected to a network or not. Alright, so now we're going to talk about the 4G LTE connection from Verizon, and then the Wi-Fi, which is how you connect the devices to the hotspot. So the Verizon 4G LTE is from the towers from Verizon that are around you. It tells you how fast it is for how far the bar is black, or how black the bar is up top here. Alright, so now we're going to look at the network settings. So I'm going to go in, turn it on, and you'll make it to the main screen like this. Now where you want to go is that you want to hit Wi-Fi name and password. And then once you hit that, it will bring you to a screen like this. Alright, so this is where you're going to go into your phones or devices Wi-Fi settings, and you're going to connect it to whatever is listed up at the top here. So the SSID or just the network name, and then the password's right here underneath. Alright, the hotspots are available at first come first served basis. Please contact the library for availability, but do know that these are only for Madison Public Library patrons only. This project was made possible in part by the Institute of Museum and Library Services and the State Library of Ohio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. This has been Charlie. If you'd like to schedule a learning coach, please call the Madison Public Library at 440-428-2189. Thanks and have a great day.